Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel Banknifty only. So let us start our analysis with the day view. But before we start, I'm going to cover a few learning points. So stay till the end and make a note of these points. So it would be a learning for you going forward. Okay. So this is a daytime frame and we are looking at the Banknifty spot chart. So what I have drawn is the Fib extension tool. Okay, so starting from first high, second low, and third high. Okay, so now what we want to find, this downfall will go up to what extent. This is what this tool helps us. Okay, so first level comes out to be 0.382. So from where we can see the market has just closed above it. So we can say if market supports this level, then we can see a positive movement from here itself. If this level is broken, that is 37,487, if we take the round figure, level comes to be 37,500. If 37,500 is broken, then market can tank down to 37,186, that is 200 levels. Okay, so I hope day by day you might be getting to learn how to use these tools, the fib retracement and trend retracement. These tools are very helpful. So try to mark such things in your chart as well and observe things daily so that you get to learn and understand how these levels. So in fib retracement tool, these three levels are very important: 0.3, 0.5 and 0.6. Okay, so let us now move to the bank nifty for the intraday levels. Okay, so before that, let us see what do we have for DI and FIS point of view. So on our NSE chart shows at least a total of selling still, a small amount, a good amount of selling, and in FNO sector we can see a small amount of buying compared to yesterday. Okay, today's data has been not updated for FNO sector. For cash it is updated. Okay, on the cash side we can see they have sold. So if you want to analyze, you may see this after some time on money control. Okay, this is one thing. Now, okay, before I come to the learning point, so let us see, we analyze Dow Jones as well and track how the US market is responding and responding. Okay, so we can see this is a day view chart of Dow Jones and you can see such a buying pressure. Okay, from the bottom, a long wick at the bottom indicates bulls are present at this particular levels. Okay, and one more thing, I would show how to draw the fib retracement right over here. So if I click on fib retracement, so you should take the swings high and drag it to the bottom. Okay, so you can clearly identify that how it has taken resistance of 0.5 levels. I hope you all are able to see. Let me just zoom in. Okay, you can see from the top I have dragged to the bottom and market has retraced 0.5. Okay, from there it fall to this particular level 0.25. It took the support and market has crossed 0.35. So tomorrow there may be a, an upward movement as well if the market opens. Now market may open, right? Okay, it has opened. So what we have seen is market has opened with a gap down. Okay, US market. So I think the selling may continue and just look at how many points. Okay, around 250. So selling is continued. It is facing the, what we can say, resistance at this particular point. Okay, let us see how this level reacts for Dow Jones. Even you can track of this. Next thing, now let us see intraday levels. I have marked many things from learning point of view. So I would try to cover levels in short. So at the bottom, we have a strong support of 37,000 levels. At the top, we have a strong resistance at 38,000 level. Okay. And we have a crucial level of 37,500 from the opening point of view. So it may act as support if market opens above and it may act as a resistance if market opens below. Now let us see how to take the trade based on market opening. Okay, so if market opens above, let it show its move, because we have a good resistance zone between 37,700 to 800 is a good resistance zone. You can see there was a huge consolidation and market at the end fell from this particular level. So let this level break. Then what would happen? We have another resistance level of round figure 38,000 level. So I would prefer not to go on immediately buy side. Uh, Please observe the chart and see if you are able to see strong bullish candles like this. If the level is broken by such kind of bullish candles, then enter into the buy trade. Otherwise, on reversal you can enter into a sell trade as well. So more of tomorrow as well, I'm thinking market may start with a negative, and based on the second half it may end with a positive, is what my feeling. So next case would be if market opens gap down. So these are the levels I have drawn, which where I see if market may open gap down. So it may take the support of 37,000 level and it can bounce back. So bounce back to the level at least 37,500 is what I feel. And this arrow I have drawn because if market opens gap up, it may come down to 37,500. If this level act as a support, it would bounce. Otherwise, if this level gets broken, then we can see further downfall as well. Similar here, 37,000 level is broken, we may see further downfall from where this support, we can see from this particular level market can bounce back. Okay, so now learning point of view, you can see this was the support trend line. Okay, where market took the support, bounced back, and it has broken. So this line would act as a resistance line. And those who are new to the videos or new to the concept, market has formed the double top. You can clearly identify. Before that it was support, it was acting, this level was acting as a support. So I have marked it as a green. You can identify in the square box, market consolidating in this particular area, uh, gave a breakout of this particular bounced or rallied up, and then when it came down it took the support twice, and second time it broke. Okay, so when this support is broken, okay, when this support is broken, it started acting as a resistance, this level. Okay, so where you saw the formation of a double top pattern. Next thing, in my previous video which was analyzed for 16th of Feb, what I wanted to show, see, I had clearly mentioned and market exactly behaved the same way. The market opened gap up. So I had explained different scenarios. So if market open gap up, it would fill the gap, remaining gap, and it would face the resistance. It would come down to this particular level 38,200. If this level does not sustain, then market would come down to this particular support trend line. Okay, so now let us see the same thing over here. You can see for the 16th, market open with a gap, touch this level, face the resistance, came down to this particular 38,200 levels, could not sustain, and it took the support of this support trend line, from where market we saw consolidating for few candles, and then again it took the support and bounced back. So this is what I wanted to say was, even you can analyze such behavior of the market if you observe the charts daily in different time frames. Okay, in 15 minutes time frame, in 5 minutes, in 1 hour, daily time frames as well. So I hope you guys are getting to learn something from my videos and getting the benefits of the levels that I share. So please hit the like button. It takes a lot of effort to make these videos and share whatever knowledge, at least 1% I can say, what I have with you, so that the new traders who are coming into the market, they do not lose their hard-earned money. So share with your friends as much as possible, subscribe to the channel, and please hit the like button. Thank you.